So this is what the cultures look like microscopically. And to ID these cyanobacteria, we kind of look at these ends right here, which we call apical ends, and they vary. It's a species-specific trait, so we can use that to ID them. Also, the width, the length of the cells, and whether or not the cells are constricted. So these aren't really constricted. When they're constricted, it kind of looks like the cells are almost like popping. They're very tight. And so here you can see, this of course is the mat, and you can see all of the filaments kind of stacked on top of each other. This strain is very brownish looking right now, but they have different pigments. They can be olive green, they can be more like bright green, they can be purplish or this brownish color. So my advice to future or current environmental scientists or budding environmental scientists is just to have fun with your research and stay very curious and open-minded. You might think that something is a certain way, but really just listen to others and learn about things outside of your research, because you're never going to know when it applies and how it can affect your area of study, and get to know other people within your field and outside of your field, because you never know what it will bring.